Hi, 大家好，我是
Hello, I'm Mila from In% Hair Salon. In today's video, I will show you how to style curly hair in a female look with StyleSign products. Let's welcome our beautiful model today. We have done the digital perm with the latest 2022 trend, which includes rich texture and dynamic curls with root lifting effects. She has fine hair with some natural curls and low density. So we will use the restoring shampoo and conditioner. Let's shampoo. After shampoo, we can see her natural curl in a wet condition. As we mentioned earlier, she has fine hair with high porosity. We will use some prep products before styling. Restoring serum spray can instantly reconstruct the hair. It also provides shine and heat protection. Spray to the hair evenly and increase the usage amount in high damaged areas. In the styling step, we will use the soft waver to create a soft shape. It provides the hair with lots of hydration due to the cream-based form. She has low density, so we will apply 3 or 4 pumps for each side of the styling product. Keep the soft waver evenly on your hands. Ask the model to bend the head slightly to fall to her right hand side. And we can apply the product to the roots directly. Distribute evenly. To have the styling product for diffusing would be the key, as it can create the rich texture with the root lift effect. Before diffusing, we need to find the right parting for her fringe and use the small clip to hold the roots. Now we can start to diffuse. We just finished the styling with soft waver. You can feel the softness and healthy shine with clear curl definition immediately. After diffusing, we can use fingers to brush the hair and to bring the hair back to the natural feel and softness. No matter how you play the hair, it won't lead the hair to frizz condition. We can remove the clips now. Using the spray to the hair can fight the humidity in Taiwan after styling. It also can help the hair to achieve a long-lasting effect. We can start to brush the hair and applying twist around. Light to medium level hold will be the great option in female look from my personal opinion. Against the humidity, fighting the frizz and slightly holds can be considered 3 priorities when you choose the hairspray. Spray to the hair surface gently to create the hold in the roots area. After spraying, leave to dry for a few minutes. And we can use the finger to brush the hair. I hope you liked today's video.